Hi, I'm Heidi McCurdy, and I'm an expressive arts therapist and holistic voice coach. And I'd love to invite you to an upcoming weekend retreat that I'm offering in collaboration with the Wheat Institute, the Winnipeg Holistic Expressive Arts Therapy Institute. So this is a creative renewal retreat. It's an opportunity to step outside of your ordinary world and day-to-day responsibilities and give your creative spirit some soulfully nourishing expression time. So it's a chance to refresh your energy, renew your inspiration, and rekindle that creative spark. The weekend will be an immersion using different expressive, creative, contemplative, and mindful art processes. So we'll be doing some visual arts, some movement, some reflective writing, journaling, group poetry, storytelling, and also some fun ways of expressing your voice and doing singing and drumming. So of course these are expressive arts, so that means that anybody can do them. You don't have to be concerned about whether you have any confidence using your voice or experience in the arts. These ones are open to everybody regardless of experience. It's really a chance to express your own true self without worrying about what happens. It's a chance to be playful and experiment with different art forms and see what really helps you tune into yourself. So it's also a chance to release stress and tension and rediscover your playful side and quiet that inner critic and perfectionism that tells you you're not good enough. And when we practice these life skills in the creative studio, they apply to our ordinary life as well. And we'll be exploring some themes of body, mind, heart, soul, and spirit and how they connect, as well as how nature can be a beautiful healing resource for you on your healing journey, and ways to use our own creative expression to give back. So please be in touch if you're interested and would like to know more information, and I hope you can join us. Thank you.